Hi, please join me in prayer. God, thank you for this day. Thank you for this life. Thank you for the light, the joy, the love that we share. God, thank you for letting us connect this way today for a daily inspiration. We are so grateful. Amen. Thanks for joining us. My name is Linda Burdett, and I thought I would share with you a story. My daddy was a storyteller and a bit of a prankster. I think his spirit guide most likely was a coyote. But one of the stories I grew up listening to was the story of the Thunderbird. Now, if you don't know this story, I'll share it with you right now. When it gets really, really, really hot, you may see clouds form in the distance called thunderhead clouds. And my daddy told me that you always had to be afraid of the thunderhead clouds because the thunderbirds hid inside of them. And thunderbirds are very territorial. So they would use the cloud as cover, and they would come together in great peals of thunder, and that's what made rain, the summer rain, the desert rain, the hot rain. They came from the thunderclouds forming up in the desert. Ever since I was a little girl, I believed him. I believed a lot of the crazy stories that he told us, but we would be so hot growing up and so thirsty that we would start praying to the thunderbirds. And even now, when I look up into the sky and I see the clouds that look like wings, or the thunderheads forming on a hot day over the mountains, I always look for the thunderbirds. Thank you for letting me share my little story with you today. I hope that in the comments here on this video, you will share some of the stories you grew up with so that we can enjoy those too. Please join me in a moment of meditation. I invite you to sit back and close your eyes if that's comfortable and take a breath. As we breathe together, I invite you to remember all of the people that touched you in your childhood. I invite you to remember being a child. Breathe in the light, the laughter, the carefree memories from the good times as a child. Let go of anything you don't want to be a part of this moment on the out breath. Just let it go. And breathe in deeply, remembering, just remembering the laughter, the people, the stories, even the silly things we used to be so afraid of. Just feel that feeling, that presence, that knowing. Let yourself become childlike, childish, child-filled. And in that remembering, I invite you to bring into your memory all of the fun and the laughter and the moments that you would bring forward into this day. Bring them here. Hold them near. Breathe them in. And when you're ready, I invite you to return your attention to the here and now. It's today. It's your day. I invite you to go forward in joy and love and laughter. Thank you for honoring us with your attention and sharing this inspirational moment. God bless.